So now I will give you honest review of products which I use for my hair, so that you get an idea of how to start it with. So the first combination, I told you about my homeopathic kit. So this is the first combination I used, which is almond oil, and this is the homeopathic tincture. Okay, so मैं 5 to 7 drops इसको mix कर देती हूँ. Then I take 1 to 2 tablespoon of this oil and I massage it 3 to 4 hours before you wash your hair is completely sufficient. आप लोगों को ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि उसको ओवरनाइट ही रखना है, तो तुम थोड़ी देर भी रखोगे और हेयर को, स्कैल्प को अच्छी खासी 15-20 मिनट्स मसाज दोगे, इट इज़ सफिशिएंट. ओके, टोल्ड यू आई एम ऑन माई होम्योपैथिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन. आई बीन टेकिंग इट फॉर लाइक 6 to 7 months नाउ, एंड आफ्टर दैट नाउ माई हेयर फॉल हैज़ जस्ट बिकम रिड्यूस्ड ड्रास्टिकली. और ये मानसून मेरे लिए कोई हेडेक नहीं था, and I made sure that my hair remains intact, as you can see. Now the second thing is as a cleanser. So शैम्पू से कुछ ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, तुम कौन सा भी शैम्पू यूज़ कर सकते हो which is more natural in nature. So it is more like a cleanser. शैम्पू is only for cleanser, और कोई शैम्पू कुछ ज़्यादा काम नहीं करता rather than cleansing the hair. So what I use is Oriflame का Love and Nature. So I've used this bottle more than needed, and it is an avocado and chamomile care cleanser. So it is a Oriflame Love Nature. This is my cleanser which I use. Conditioner is a really important thing because इससे बाल detangle हो जाते हैं, तो अपने आप hair fall कम हो जाता है. So I use L'Oreal. Okay, I can't trust any other brand. L'Oreal is the best for this. The last thing which I apply, serum. Applying serum helps a lot after the hair wash. So this was recommended to me by one of the parlor person, and it actually helped a lot because I think they have more knowledge of it. So this is a Swastha Organic Hair Serum. So it helps in hair polishing. So it gives a really amazing shine. As you can see, my hair has become amazingly shinier in consistency. So this is a Swastha Organics, and it is a part of my hair increased journey, I would say. And then for any time, like I have this lot of bad habits. So today आज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा I made sure कि मैं मेरे बाल natural से natural state में करूँ. मैंने blow dry straighten अब कुछ नहीं किया है, so that I want you to see that my hair naturally has become like this. And I think the kind of frizziness they have improved a lot, and especially because of the humidity, the frizziness has increased. But the better part would be कि आप जितना natural state में देखोगे उतना आप ज़्यादा motivate होगे. So now the last part is whenever I use any kind of a hair heat product, which is straightener and straightener or anything, so this is what you guys should be looking for. And heat protection, it is a K10 heat protection. So I hope these products are going to help you a lot. And as a doctor, I would say work on yourself internally and shine out externally. That is the key.